Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Courage. Quickly in this video, I want to share with you, I want to show you the steps on how you can make 6 figures online with one product e-commerce store. All right. Now, personally, in my own e-commerce business, I've been able to consistently generate over 2 million naira every month using one product store. Right. So teaching you this now, I'm not giving you any guarantee or any assurance that you're going to make 7 figures like 2 million naira or 1 million naira. But you can make 6 figures if you apply the same exact steps I'm going to reveal to you. As a beginner, you are going to be able to make 6 figures, even if it is 100K, 200K, 300K that you are making as a beginner. I believe it can, it can solve some problems for you, right? It's something. So with that, you can now begin to double down on your efforts and on your ad spend and begin to make way more than that. All right. So in this very video, I am going to show you how you can start making money for yourself on e-commerce by simply having what we call a one product e-commerce store, one product e-com store. Okay. So in this video, I will share with you how I consistently make over 1 million naira. I'm being very conservative with the figures so that some people don't, just don't get anxiety or don't get their hopes high, right? There are people in this e-commerce industry who make more money than I do. There are a lot of guys and ladies who make a whole lot of money on e-commerce from in this country, way more than I do. So yeah, I will share the exact steps that I took and everything I did so that you can also replicate the same process in your own e-commerce business. Okay, so guys, I will ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people get to see it. The more likes this video gets, you encourage me by liking the video and then more people get to see it. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon there so that you get notified whenever I post videos like this one. All right, guys, without wasting time, let me share with you the step-by-step guide on how you can start making 6 figures from one product e-commerce store. It's a very simple process, but it requires your own effort. Let's go. Now I'm going to list the steps. I think I have just about 7 steps. And take note, in this video, I am going to leave my WhatsApp number. I will leave it just within the video. I will not tell you the exact point where I leave the WhatsApp number, right? So that you can get the WhatsApp number and you can reach me via WhatsApp. You don't have to call me. I don't take calls. Just send me a message and I'll always respond. So the first step is to choose a niche, right? Choose a niche. Now personally, I have built a one product e-com store in niches like household, fitness, beauty, etc. I've built one product e-com store in these niches. So this is to show you that you can actually build this e-com store in any niche of your choice. The first step to achieving this success is to niche down. There is this popular saying that there are riches in niches, or there is riches in niches. All right. So once you're able to niche down, you can be able to dominate that particular niche and make a whole lot of money. That is what people fail to understand. They sell here today, sell there tomorrow. They are almost everywhere, and it begins to affect their sales and their numbers. Once you're able to niche down, you focus and you're going to make a whole lot of money niching down. That's the first step. Like I said, it's going to be a very short, quick video and straight to the point. So let's go to the second step. Okay, yeah. Well, so before we move to the second step, right, I said you choose a niche, right? So you simply, after you choose a niche, it depends on the niche you choose. After you choose a niche, it could be household, fitness, beauty, health, name them. There are a lot of niches, right? Gadgets, automobile, a lot of niches. So after you've chosen a niche, then there's something we call sub niche. Within a niche, there's a sub niche. You niche down further. In the sub niche. All right. It's just like when we have something like digital marketing. Under digital marketing, there is social media marketing. Then under social media marketing, there is media buying, which is Facebook ads, and there's media buying. Under the media buying, there is Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. People are experts at different areas of these sub niches. People are experts in Facebook ads. People are experts at YouTube ads, Google ads. So you see, it is not, one person is not an expert in all. You niche down. So when you select a niche, you choose a sub niche. For instance, like I said, I've built a one product store in household items, and under the household items, I niched down to kitchen. Now, within the household items, some people can niche into furniture, some people can niche into beddings like duvet, bed sheets, pillows, throw pillows, all those stuff, beautiful, beautiful stuff like throw pillows that has your face, has your, this stuff like that. Like people niche into wall clocks, smart wall clocks, smart clocks that has camera and so many stuff like that. Do you understand? So within household, you can niche down further. So I niched down to kitchen. I created a one product e-commerce store in the kitchen sub niche of household niche. Do you understand now? Household is the niche, kitchen is a sub niche. Good. So I simply pick one sub niche in any of the niches that I mentioned earlier. Then the next step is to make a market research. All right? After you pick the niche and the sub niche, you go ahead to do a market research, a thorough market research in that sub niche, not in the general niche, in that sub niche. Now, there are questions you need to ask. There are questions you should ask. Which products are in this sub niche? Which of the products can command a high demand? Okay. Why would people buy the products? That's the benefits. Of course, you always get benefits of a product from the features. Okay, from the features you get the benefits. Like for instance, if you have a phone like this and then it has a battery capacity of maybe 5,000 or 8,000 or 10,000, blah blah, that's a feature. Now, what is the benefit of having that battery capacity? Longer lasting, go days without charging, play more music, watch more movies, spend time on the phone without being worried whether there's power or there's no power or whatever, So these are benefits of the product. So instead of listing the features, you give them the benefits of the features. So why would people buy the product? Benefits. Where can I find these products? And then if I find this product eventually, how do I sell the products? That is the problem people have. They have products, but they don't know how to sell it. It becomes an issue. If you have this issue, then you cannot make money from e-commerce. But don't worry, Courage is here to direct you, to guide you, and to show you how to win in this game. So once you have all the answers to your questions, right, the next step is product sourcing. Product sourcing. You source for products. Personally, I visit the markets myself, right? I visit markets. Like today now, I went to the market. Today I went to three markets in Lagos. Three. Because this is the season now. I'm sourcing for products. And these products, today I found two products. I've already set up adverts for the products. I set up the adverts this evening just to test, just to see how the products will do. I'm testing it, and so far, I think within 5 p.m. till now, I've been able to get about 11 orders. So that is to show you that this product has potential of actually doing fine. So when I now duplicate and put more money into the ad, it's going to be fire. So that's what I'm saying. Today I went to three markets, combing. I came back late this evening. I left home early. I'm combing. So that's it. I visit markets myself. Sometimes if I cannot go, I ask friends in the markets to help me out with the sourcing. I just explain to them what I want, and then they help me out. All right? So product sourcing is the next step. Okay. Then the step 4 is negotiation with the supplier. Once I source for the product and I find the supplier, I go to them, all right, and have a proper negotiation. And I also build good relationships with the suppliers. Because when you get to the store, the price they say is not really what they're going to sell to you. You negotiate with them, you beat down the price, tell them the terms. This is how I'm going to be buying. These are the orders will be coming. Maybe I'll buy 5 today. Maybe I'll buy 10 tomorrow. You become very, very open and clear to them, so that when you send someone to come and pick for you, they would understand that it is coming from this guy, and they will give the person your products. So you negotiate with them and you build good rapport with the supplier and with your boys that are selling for them, because they're going to help you go a long way, right? That's the 4th step. Then the step 5 is to take product pictures and videos, right? So once I have this this discussion with them, I proceed to taking pictures and I make videos of the product from different angles at the supplier store, at their store. Also, I ask for their warehouse. I go to the warehouse. I take videos. I show the products in bulk, in action, different angles of the products. Take videos, take pictures. Then I buy one of the products, just one. The reason I buy one is for my own creative. All right. The reason I buy one is for my own creative, so that I can, when I get home, I can now make a proper video, a proper creative, a proper video for the advert, gongo. Those ones I took, I'm now going to fix it into the ad and then fix them in the sales page. Those ones I took in the store and the warehouse, I'll infuse them into my ad and then put them in the sales page. That's why we take product pictures and videos. The step 6 is to build a funnel, right? At this point, you already have a product. Okay, at this point, we already have a product. So at this point, we already have a product, right? And I have a supplier. And I have the videos and I have the pictures. So the next thing is to build a 2-page funnel for the product. One product, a 2-page funnel. The first page, page 1, is the sales page. Page 2 is the thank you page. Simple. Page 1 is the sales page where you list the benefits, where you talk about the product, and that's where people are going to place order. Then once they click on order now, the second page that the thing will take them to is the thank you page, where you thank them and inform them that you are going to reach out to them and then deliver to them. All right, that is funneling. Simple 2-page funnel only. Then step 7 is traffic, which is the lifeblood of every business. You send traffic. Once my funnel is ready, I drive traffic to my funnel via social media. I use Facebook as my main source of traffic. Most e-commerce guys in Nigeria use Facebook as the main source of traffic, and it's super effective. It's super effective. I'll always give you this advice that you need to have more than one ad account, because sometimes all of us know Facebook now, the way they behave. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? You're getting me, Abby? Correct. The way they behave, they can be funny sometimes, right? So when they restrict your ad account, you appeal the ban and then you move on to the next available ad account, because you cannot start waiting for them to, for them to get back to you. It might take longer. It's going to dull your business. It's going to keep your business stagnant. You cannot afford to dull in this e-commerce space. That is why I advise people, my students, to always have more than one ad account. When you come on Facebook and see people making posts saying we need an account to run adverts, we're going to pay you so amount. That's what they're doing. They are looking for more ad accounts. Do you get it? You get me now, right? You also need to have more ad accounts so that if Facebook acts funny, you move to the next available one, your ad continue running, because your time is money. When you waste time, you are losing money. Now, in your ad, you start by targeting your state of residence. If you live in Lagos, you start by targeting Lagos. If you live in Oyo, you start by targeting Oyo. If you live in Edo, you start by targeting Edo State. If you live in Delta, Port Harcourt, Bayelsa, Kaduna, Abuja, wherever you are, start by targeting your immediate states. Now, this is to help you build up capital that will enable you target nationwide. Because if you live in Lagos and you target nationwide, and then you have 3 orders from Kaduna, how are you going to deliver it when you don't have a network of delivery agents? But if you target Lagos and you have 3 orders in Lagos, you can easily deliver it that same day and get your money, because it's pay on delivery. You can deliver it that same very day and get your money. For instance, if you start with 20,000 and then you deliver it, at the end of the day, you have more than 20, you might have about 60,000. So you can now buy more products. Still targeting Lagos. So maybe initially you bought 3 products. Now you have more money, you can buy 5. After selling that 5, you can now buy 10. Before you know it, do you understand? It's expanding. Because you targeted your immediate environment, your immediate state, it is easier to build capital from there. Now, with the capital, by the end of 1 month, you must have made enough money that you can now say, okay, let me now target Ondo, Oyo, Edo, still within Lagos, right? It's easier for you to now deliver them. Your capital is building. Before you do this e-commerce for 3 months, you are done. I'm telling you for a fact. This e-commerce is giving me money. It's giving many guys that you know money. A lot of them. This thing can give you money. It's not difficult now. Not be waiting they show you like this. Be this. This is it now. Now waiting they show you now. Nothing they here. It's not difficult. You can learn it. You can do it. It can change your life. I promise you, if you take the time to learn this thing, understand it, and practice it, it can change your life. It can change your life. Look at me. I'm not so special, but I do this e-commerce, and the thing, it shows for my life. Like the levels are changing. You can just be in your sitting room, in your home, making money, living the best life. At least you can afford some basic things that you need, like travel, have nice meal, take care of yourself, your family, stuff like that. You can afford the basic things you need. You can afford to pay rent, buy anything you want. It's fun. It's fun. You can do this, right? Now, I hope you find this video helpful. Just before you leave, I'm currently creating a very affordable course for e-commerce. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to help you start making at least 300K monthly from e-commerce. This is going to be a very super affordable. It's not even up to the amount you spend on data, on internet data. Now, in the course, you will learn how to source for hot products. You will learn where to get hot products. You will learn how to build a sales page, that is funnel. Then you will learn how to run profitable Facebook ads with the right targeting. These are the things you will learn in the course. But that's not all. Let me show you something else you are going to get. I will give you the contact of suppliers. I think about 3 suppliers. And I'll tell you the kind of products they supply. I'll give you the contact of 3 suppliers. And I'll tell you the kind of products they supply. And these are products that are selling. These are products that are hot. Like, once you get the products, you are going to make money, honestly. All right? So I'm going to give you the contact of suppliers, and I'm going to tell you the kind of products that they supply. And these are hot products that you can start selling immediately. All of this you will get for how much? Just 3,000 naira only. Only 3K. Normally, the price is 5K. When the course will be launched, the price will be 5K. But for those who will pre-order this and this course, they're going to pay just 3,000 naira. All right? So how do you get this? How do you pre-order? How do you get this course? I will leave my WhatsApp number. So if you're interested in getting the profitable e-commerce course, send me a message on WhatsApp today. As you are seeing this video, send a message. And please, when you send me a message, go straight to the point. There are many unread messages because people are just there saying hello, hi, good morning. There's no time for these things. When you send the message, go straight to the point. Let me know that you want to pre-order the e-commerce course. I will send you the account detail. You pay, and then I will take note of your name, take your details down, so that when the course is ready, you'll be onboarded. All right. So here is my WhatsApp number. Please don't call. I don't take calls. I'm not going to take your call. Just send me a WhatsApp message. Don't send a voice note. I will not listen to it. Send me a WhatsApp message. State exactly what you want, and I will attend to you. Okay. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and share. Right? Like this video. Leave a comment. Share this video to as many people you think are going to find it helpful. We are here to help each other grow. I'm here to see you grow, make money, and have a better life. All of us can have a better life if we just, put in the required efforts. I am where I am today because I'm putting in effort. You can also get to a better level by putting in effort, learning and implementing. All right. So here's the number. Send me a WhatsApp message and I will give you the details for you to pre-order the course. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.